What if your life is not about following others but discovering your own calling? Dear friends, today we celebrate Good Shepherd Sunday, also known as Vocations Sunday. On this day, we remember Jesus as the Good Shepherd and pray for vocations to the priesthood and the religious life. But what does vocation or calling really means? A vocation is saying yes to what truly speaks to your heart. Something you freely choose, commit to, and give your best. It is not forced, but a joyful response to God. So dear children, youth, and young adults, what are your desires? What do you want to become? What are your ambitions? Do not live for others. Do not be pressured by others. Discover who you are called to be. Discover your own desires. Make your choices freely and wisely. And trust Jesus, the Good Shepherd, to guide you. Our calling unfolds step by step to be good children, good students, good workers, and good citizens. Faithfulness in these small steps prepares us for greater things and always remain open to God's calling. Look at Jesus. At 12, he already aware of his vision, yet he lived in obedience at home. He worked, and at age 30, he began his public mission. This shows us that calling unfolds with time. Faithfulness matters more than age. So dear young people, study, work, and live your dreams, but also pray. In prayer, we are enlightened to follow Christ more closely. If God calls you, respond with courage and joy. And to parents and families, vocations are everyone's mission. Pray, encourage, and support. Remember, your life, your calling, listen to the Good Shepherd. May the Good Shepherd guide and bless you all.